welcome to my channel. My name's Nicole and it's travel day. We are heading to Florida for 2 weeks. It's currently 4 AM on Monday the 12th of May 2025. We are just about to head to Gatwick Airport and we are flying with British Airways, which is a first for us. There's lots of firsts for us this trip, so I'll just go through a brief description of our plan. So we are staying for 2 weeks in a hotel on site. We've never stayed in a hotel before, we've always stayed in villas, and we're staying at the Swan and Dolphin Resort. And when we get to Orlando MCO, we have got the Mears Connect transfer, so we're not hiring a car this time. And then we've also booked the Loews Pacific for Universal, and we get to use express passes for staying at this hotel, which is really exciting because we've never used them before. So we're doing a couple of days Universal, and of course it is opening week for Epic Universe and we just had to go, so we'll be doing 1 day there as well. I'll try and bring you along with us as much as I can. It will be myself, my 4-year-old son Albie, and my mum and dad. It's also my birthday when we're there, and I've never experienced a Disney park on my birthday before, so that'll be really exciting. And we've booked a private 20-minute photo shoot at Magic Kingdom, so I'll hopefully be able to go through that with you if that's something that you're interested in. It's also been my mum's big 60th birthday this year. She's had it in March, so it's already been, and my mum and dad's big anniversary as well. So yeah, it's going to be a very special trip full of lots of memories, and I hope you enjoy following along on our Florida adventure. I'll take you along today as much as I can on travel day, and I'll speak to you all soon. This is Albie, and what do you want to show everybody? Your Switch. So we've got lots of entertainment for the plane, haven't we? You've got your Switch, your iPad, so we are ready to go.
The important thing, my plaything.
What plaything?
What we bought from the shops.
Oh, your travel activity pack. Yeah, I've got that in the bag as well. So we've got lots of things to keep us entertained for 9 hours. How excited are you out of 10, Albie? Wow, amazing. I can't wait to play that with you on the plane.
You on.
Yeah.
Just like here.
Oh yeah, perfect. You know how to work it better than I do, don't you? Right, shall we see everybody when we get to the airport? Yeah. Just about to put all the suitcases in the car. Mum, do you want to say hello to everybody?
Hi everybody. The airport.
Yay! If you've seen my previous vlogs, Mum's in quite a few of them. Albie's already on the chocolate. We stopped at the services, didn't we, Albie? So we stopped off at the services and we had a McDonald's breakfast, and now I checked in yesterday online and we just checked in our bags ourselves, and the queue for the actual check-in was really long, so definitely recommend you checking in beforehand, printing off your boarding passes, and then you just go to the machine, you scan your boarding pass, your passport, then you put the suitcase on, and then it prints out a tag. You just put the tag on the suitcase and then it goes through. So we were saying see you to our suitcases, weren't you? See you on the other side. We're just about to go through security now. So Dad's here now. Say hello, Dad.
Hello.
You ready for the travel day? 10:40 Orlando. We've got about an hour. What are you having, Albie?
Hot bread.
2 breakfasts today. We've already had McDonald's, haven't we?
I've got a drink. I've got mine already.
What are you having?
Little breakfast.
That's right then.
And a cup of tea.
Perfect. We've got an hour. Whoa. Yeah, we've got an hour until we can board. That's it. Not get on it now. Just about to board. Oh, we're going through the tunnel, Albie. Here we go. There it is. There's the pilot.
Looks like
Why?
Do the engineering work.
There's a pilot in the window.
Oh yeah.
On them. Hi.
Give me 5. Welcome.
Thank you.
Know where we sit
Let's
here?
go.
Oh, I love the
Think
cave.
so.
You know where we're going, yeah?
I think so. Right down the back. Albie, we'll go this way. Come then. You go. I'll follow. Sit. All the way at the back. 37. Here we go. Any minute now.
Oh, there's another one behind us.
Can you see it? I'll be next. Yeah, you'll feel it when we're going up. Go super fast. We are on it, aren't we? We're not on the runway. Yeah, we are. Here we go.
Watch out for my hand.
Are you getting ready to go back? Come on.
Any minute.
Is it pulling you back? Oh my goodness. Go in, we're going. Not yet, we'll feel it. Your ears might pop. There we go. Still on the ground. Oh, here we go. Might make your tummy funny. They're in the sky. We're flying. Yay.
We're still back.
Oh, we are still back. We're going like that.
Going like that. Going upwards.
Up.
Higher and higher.
Oh, telling us to keep our seatbelt on. Yay!
Going down now.
No, we're not going down. Going up still.
When we go forwards, then we can play.
Yeah. When they take the seatbelt sign off, we can play. Let's go. 8.5 hours. Wish us luck.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah. Would you like ice lemon?
Cheers.
Oh no.
Cheers. Oh, wobbly wobbly. Albie's lunch has arrived. He's got pasta bolognese. Not sure what this is. Is that some kind of couscous? No idea. A porridge oat bar, wild berries, a millionaire shortbread, bottle of water, and some bread with butter. We're halfway there. We've just got the activity pack out. Got this from the works. Good job. Well done, Albie. 3, 2, 1, go! We made it! Hi everybody! We just got onto the bus to take us to the hotel, but our flight was actually amazing. Albie did so well, so proud of you. yeah, the only thing that sort of let it down was the food, but I think that's always the case. We went through, we got our luggage first, and then we went through security. Didn't take too long, just under an hour, and then we waited for the Mears Connect for about 15 minutes. We've just got on now and we're heading to our hotel. I'll show you around when we get there. We've made it to our resort. We've just arrived. You were in it then, Albie. I don't even know what time it is, but I'm just going to give you a little room tour, and we have started unpacking and bits and pieces, so there'll be bits everywhere, but yeah, I'll try my best to show you around. We are in room 6152. Let me in.
Hey, room service guys.
Hello. So the lady came and helped us with our suitcases. She brought more hangers, more towels, loads of water. So yeah, we've got lots of hangers. We've got an iron and an ironing board. I haven't actually looked around myself, so no idea what's here. It's a nice area here. Water. All these bits. I don't drink hot drinks, so I don't really know what any of that is. But yeah, she brought us a whole pack of bottled water. And then on the right here is the sink and bathroom area. Got a lovely big mirror here. Got lots of towels. Oh, there is a hairdryer. And then there's a full-length mirror here. And then look at the bath, Albie. It's really low down. It's a little bath. Got shampoo, conditioner and body wash.
There's even a shower.
Yeah, you have a shower and a bath. Or a bath. And then there's I've just put the pram there, but we'd leave it up, save having to keep putting it up and down. And then we've got 2 double beds. Nice artwork. We're just trying to find some plugs, so we have found a couple, but they've got these things scattered around. Yeah, I think that'll be enough storage for us all. Got some big drawers here, TV, and then I've just started putting all our ears out on the table. I think we've got enough for 2 weeks. And then we've just got a view of like the entrance, so nothing fancy, so it's just a traditional room, but very happy with it. Yeah, we found some plugs just down there behind the bed. We can't really find any more, but we'll keep looking. I'm not really sure what the plan is. We're just going to unpack, and then I'll just come out of the way so it's not too noisy with the TV. Yeah, so we're just going to unpack and then see what time it is. What time is it, Dad?
25 to 7.
25 to 7, so yeah, not too sure. 7, 8, 9, 10, it's midnight in the UK, so yeah, not sure what we're doing yet, but I'll come on and say goodbye to you all once I've completed the travel day. But I hope you've enjoyed it so far. I haven't filmed too much, but I've done my best. So we've decided to brave it, and we're going to Disney Springs. We haven't been here since, I think it was Downtown Disney, so a long time ago. And we also got our first Disney bus as well. It was really easy, wasn't it, getting the bus? So yeah, we're going to go and get Mum and Dad some magic bands, because myself and Albie have already got some from our last trip. And then we're going to grab something to eat. Hopefully they do some chicken tenders here. Hey everyone, we've just got back to the hotel. Everybody's just getting ready for bed because we are exhausted. We ended up having dinner in Disney Springs. It was really nice. We had burgers and pizza and chicken tenders, and then we're planning on going to get some magic bands, but it was quite a bit of a walk, and yeah, we were all exhausted trying to stay awake eating our food, so we just headed back and got the bus. I was a bit worried about the bus because you have to put the pram down, so it would be really hard if you were on your own, but luckily I've got my parents with me, so I carried Albie and then my dad folded down the pram and held the pram, and it was absolutely fine. Yeah, we just got back to the hotel. I hope you enjoyed following along on our travel day. We will see you on the next one, where we will be in Magic Kingdom for our first day. So I shall see you all then. Thank you for watching. Bye.